Hello, my little bunnies. Are you ready for your bedtime story? Today we are reading Sleepy Kittens. So let's start. Three little kittens loved to play. They had fun in the sun all day. Their mother came out and said, "Time for kittens to go to bed." Three little kittens started to bark. "Mommy, we are not tired at all." Their mother smiled and said with a purr, "Fine, at least you should brush your fur." Three little kittens with all fur brushed said, "We can't sleep. We feel too rushed." Their mother replied with a voice like silk, "Fine, but at least you should drink your milk." Three little kittens with all milk gone rubbed their eyes and started to yawn. "Ah, we can't sleep. We can't even try." Then their mother sang a lullaby. "Good night, kittens. Close your eyes. Sleep in peace until you rise. Though while you sleep, we are apart. Your mommy loves you with all her heart." Good night, kittens. Bye.